Welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to discuss the headline index XJO and see where it is heading because it's a very crucial video. Please watch till the end because I'm going to discuss some strong stocks, and also, as I promised 2 weeks before, I'll be announcing the winner for the video which who has commented on the Netflix video as well. So today stay till the end because it's going to be a very interesting video with a lot of uncertainty in the market, and what is headline index telling us, which are the strong stocks I'm watching for the next week, and we'll also discuss what we have been talking about, some stocks, what exactly happened with those stocks as well, and what am I doing. Again, clear disclaimer has been given at the start of the video. Please do make sure you read it and agree to those terms and conditions. Thank you very much, and let's see you other side. So, peaceful weekend investing. My name is Shivendra Bhatia, and invest with a plan, not with a feeling. That's very, very important. And I'm on a mission to help professionals invest in stock market like a pro. And I want you to cover some important pointers today, and let's get straight dive in. So we'll review XJO Index and what next for that, and also we'll be discussing some of the strong stocks, and also I'll be announcing the winner for the Netflix video. What did we learn from that? If you haven't watched that video, it is very critical video and you should watch that because you get a lot of learnings, and that is where once you learn from the past, that's where you come to know what is next. And let's do these stock reviews as well. I'll go straight into my trading view terminal, and at the end I'll announce the winner as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would request you to subscribe to channel, also hit the notification bell, and subscribe, like, put your comments whether you're liking it, disliking it. At least I've come to know so that I can improve and also share something which is worthwhile your time. And I want to thank each one of you who's supporting this channel and being here and spending your valuable time with me. And I want to give a justice to every second you're spending with me here. Let's get cracking. So let's go, and I will be sharing my view. So I hope you can see the chart now. Let's go. Before I go, let's go and see what is the index saying. Okay, because we always do the index review in this channel, and very important. I did have lines before, but no problem, we can draw, and at least you'll get to also know how we do that. As you can see, there was a swing high here, and that was way high for COVID, before COVID, and then we had a big drawdown, and see market made an attempt. Now market is well above that level, and now for the last week, this is a 3 months candle. So let's go back to weekly to get some noise here, because weekly candle gives us noise, right? And I sometimes look at 3 months. I don't know if you know how to do that. It's easy to set up 3 months candle if you have a pro. I'm not sure can you do that for the free channel as a free YouTube video, or free sorry, trading view account. I have a pro account, so I can do that. So let's do some quick analysis on the index, which is XJO, and it's important to review that. See, market has been definitely, we have been talking about it, is definitely having resistance at this level. And you can watch the previous video, so I'll keep it short because I got few comments that the video is a bit longer. So I think it is still sideways. As long as it's holding up, that's fine. And though there is a weakness, but you have to find the strength, pocket of strength, and this is a time for you to focus on stocks which are really showing some strength, because those one will show will recover first. And last time I talked about GNC. Look at this stock. Now this stock is defining all the gravity, and it's still moving up. And I think it is more about the line of business they are in, the shortages in the food grains. It's adding to the tailwind to the stock, and it's just going up, so which is fantastic. And I am absolutely happy with this trade. NAB, again, it has this was one of the list, I think, but we discussed previously. I will be looking for Pilbara minerals. I think at this point I'm still holding up with the $2.55 as my stop loss, and but given that it is like kind of forming double top as you can see, and second top is slightly lower, which is a cause of worry, and I don't want to hold the weak stocks. Okay, so because it is lower than the previous top, and obviously it is on the critical support, and I look at weekly closely. If it closed below this, I will be out of this stock and sitting on a decent gain here, so I'm okay with that. But I want to give a stock a chance because there's no point simply exiting it when your stop loss is not hit. And somebody asked me, what you do, how do you do that? I always look at technical analysis to exit my positions as well, not only fundamental, because sometimes fundamental news comes way later than the um, from the when I see, like, for example, Evergrande, the fundamental news came way later than the actual fundamental news came out. So I want to make sure that I'm exiting before, unless I've got a very strong conviction. Now LYC is doing fantastic, no problems. We discussed on the previous video about elders, absolutely in a great position. So uh, looking to add in whenever there's an opportunity here. MTS, and MTS, I think it's very interesting because it is actually breaking. Last time when I showed you, I did showed you this trend line, which is an oblique trend line, right? It is closed above this long term monthly candle trend line, and that is, to me, is significant. And let's see some volumes, and volumes are also not bad. And right at the bottom we had some decent volume coming in, so it's okay. I think it's trying to defy the gravity to move up. uh, OREI, I think it is making lower lows, so that's all right. LEL, though it was in watchlist, it just has phenomenal run so far. uh, I'm not sure what is the fundamental to it. It's again lithium. I think lithium. Recently, there was a news from BHP saying that lithium rallies will not, last longer. So keep a watch on it. It's a low volume stock, so again, worthwhile. So let's quickly look at some of the index. I what's showing up in that, right? Absolutely, we look at XJO utilities. It again, I think. Keep an eye, because in the high inflationary environments, utilities do stocks do very well, and that's what exactly it's saying. Now it's kind of coming to a resistance zone, so you have to be careful. It's already had a decent rally. I think the rally has been right from the low to all the way to top. Is a 45% rally in the index itself. Just imagine. So, and then comes the industrial. Again, this is a big drawdown, and after that, it's still not able to recover. So I will avoid. Metal mining, I think there is a softness now coming to metal. And likewise, I think it is materials. And let's look at it. So most of the indexes are correcting, obviously, given the market we are in. So now what you have to do is individual stocks and their strength. And for you to understand that, I'll make another video to explain in detail. But I think what I look at it is relative strength of the stock, and also I look at the RSI. So relative strength is nothing but you are comparing the stock vis-a-vis index or your own index, which basically nothing but a index associated. Um, you can create your own index as well, hybrid index, or you can use XJ or any sectoral index, right? And likewise, RSI. So just to be very clear, RSI is where you want to see the momentum of stock with it comparing with itself. It's like if you have a car, you have a speed dial that tells RSI, and if you have a car and you're racing with another car, that's a relative strength. Yeah. So you're comparing your car up speed vis-a-vis other stock and trying to be in those car which is, and bet on those cars which are faster than that. Yeah, I hope it make that simpler for you as an analogy. But again, I'll make a detailed video and explain you what you should be doing specifically. If you want to make, want me to make that video, do comment that below this video, so I can, get to know that you want to understand more in deep dive on it, and I will cover that in my next video. And I got few comments about Fibonacci as well, so I will try and, schedule that as well. Thank you so much for those who are commenting and helping grow this channel. So let's now, so these are some of the stocks, and I think what I actually did as well, I was trying to look at how many stocks are close to, and this is, by the way, I've done some analysis over the weekend as part of my peaceful weekend investing, because this is the time now you have to find and segregate stocks which you want to pick up for the next rally whenever it happens. And 52-week high stocks which are close to 52-week high and close within the 10% range are 59 stocks out of top 200 stocks of ASX, and there are 68 stocks which are languishing around almost close to 10% above the 52-week low, and those who are kind of middle between the 52-week high are around 71, and there are around two stocks. So probably, most of the stocks which 200 stocks is here. So that's my analysis, and I did this automated Excel sheet, which basically nothing but tells me all the green stocks are basically stocks which are close to 52-week high, and we have discussed elders, we discussed, so they're all coming in this screen, which is beautiful. And I just want to monitor that going forward, so that we know how many stocks are being filtered out. And I was doing some analysis there, and I wanted to see some stocks which are coming in screen, and we have discussed, and I think most of the stocks which we discussed here are also there. So I will probably share with you. So these are some of the stocks which are there. Elder is there. MTS is, we have discussed this. CBA is also close to 50 again. I think the CBA stock, one should have it for long-term portfolio, but again, I think it's too expensive. I think I'm going to look at adding that position whenever. And again, I'm just sharing my view what I'm going to do. So please do consult your financial advisor, and don't make any decisions based on what I'm talking about here, please, guys. So that is one thing very clear. I hope you all agree with that. And likewise, we got, I think ORI also is coming to almost 52-week high, because though the chart pattern doesn't, tells you, but I think the volume is building up, so we'll keep a watch on it. And there's this stock, Ample. I think it's also showing some strength. AMP, I think AMP is like really down below, so I'm gonna avoid that. These are some of the stocks here. And CPU, I think we discussed in one of the videos, ever since it is all-time high, I think it's just done very well. We discussed that in previous talks. So some of the stocks which are there, TLS, I think Telstra is something which is still within this zone. I want to see this, coming and closing above this, so then probably we'll see some more momentum. But I don't want to, be in the stocks which are a bit slow mover. But we had I think the stock itself gave a good return, so I'm not holding on to that. Yeah, I don't know. There's a great volume happening, so keep a watch on it. But I'm gonna wait till this $5.99, and after that I'll probably look into that. So these are some of the stocks which are coming in. I'll keep a WHC. I think Whitehaven Coal, we discussed. After that, the stock has really done very well. I think I discussed this one of the videos prior, so that has done well. And Woodside Petroleum again. So these are the stocks which I'm reviewing it. I hope you got the value out of this video and you are liking the content. It's important to stay close, and when I'm recording this video, it's 8th of May, and it's Mother's Day, so I want you to please make a note of that, because it's very important if you're watching this video later on. Again, what we do today quickly, I would want to make those who commented on this Netflix video, I want to just, I said I will pick a winner, and I want to quickly announce the winner. Just to give me a minute, I will take that out and announce the winner in front of you. We'll randomly select. Uh, so if you want to be the winner will get access to the complete, um, you know, complete end-to-end course on TradingView platform, and this is almost close to 2 hours or 1.5 hours of content and exclusive, and then you'll have a lifelong access to that. And also at the same time, any updates going forward, you will be getting updated as well. So if you are not commenting on my videos below, so after 2 weeks I'll be announcing the winner for this video as well. Those who stay till the end, I want to reward them and also help them grow in the professional journey of investing. So let's quickly grab the link of the YouTube video because that's what is important. I will share my screen so that we all can see that together. So this is a comment picker. I will take this, and as there is a way to start, and hopefully, okay, 1 minute, let's see that, and let's start. So the winner is Pawan Kumar, and congratulations for winning this course. And I highly appreciate that. Having an exit strategy in place while entering into stock through indicators such as various moving averages. So thank you so much, Pawan. Really appreciate that. Congratulations once again. And before we say goodbye, and I wish you a great weekend, I want to make sure say namaste, as we say in India. See you next time. And before you go, do connect with me in various other channels and social media holograms. So if you go to sbhatia.co/bio, you will find all the links on Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, my website. So you will have all of that, and also do smash that like button, share button, and also share to your friends and family, and comment as well. Till next video, I'll say goodbye to you. Thank you. Bye bye.